Good morning, this is Keith All, and today I will teach you how you can create a transparent text effect in Photoshop. Now, this is one way that you could do it. There are multiple ways, and in the future, I will show you other ways that you could create a similar or same type of an effect. So the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, I already opened up an image um, uh, in Photoshop, so you can open up any image that you want. Your next step is to create a text layer. So I'm going to come over here and click on the text tool, click in this area, and then I'm going to type in whatever I want. Let's do this in caps, foreground. And then all you have to do is then just move your text to wherever that you want. Okay, your next step is to make sure to create the effect that you will see in a little bit, to make sure your text is now is going to be black. So let's select the text. Let's come up here to the top to the options bar and select your color picker, and I'm going to select black. Click OK. Now your next step is what you want to do is you want to come over here to your layers panel to your right, bottom right, and then click in overlay effects and click in this area and select soft light. So that will make a certain your text. When you do that, always make sure that your text layer is selected, and then you come over here to your overlay options and select your options that way. And as you can see, you got a partial see-through of your text, and you can see through the text to the image and behind it. So now your next step is you want to be able to select this text. So you come over here to your text layer, make sure it's selected, and where you have this square box around the letter T, you want to hold down your control key. I'm on a Windows PC, and click on it. And as you can see, now the text is now selected. Your next step is to come up to your menu and hover over where it says select, and then the drop down menu appears and you want to click inverse. So what that does is now select your background, as you can see on there. Now what you want to do is you want to come down to your layers panel and you want to click on your adjustment layer icon at the bottom of your layers panel, and you want to select solid color. And now you want to come up here to your color picker and you want to select white and click OK. Now this is one effect that you could have. You can have an adjustment layer that's completely solid and you only see the image through the text. Now your next step is the effect that I want to create is I want to have a transparent effect with this layer, this white layer. So what you want to do is you come over to your layers panel to your right, and you want to look at opacity right here, and you want to change that to whatever effect that you want. I'm going to choose 45%. And as you can see, what it did, it created this, took an image, put text on it, and then put an adjustment layer on top of that image to have like a see-through effect. And that's what I wanted to teach you today. So again, like I said at the beginning of the video, there are multiple ways that you could do this, and I'm going to create future videos to show you certain transparent text effects. So hopefully this tutorial was very helpful for you today. Gave you some ideas on how you can work with text layers and adjustment layers and work with the opacity. And I look forward to the next video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on those bell notifications so you always get updated when a new video is uploaded. Thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.